You want to line all the way up to this. So now he's going to go a little bit slower. We want to be careful right here. We don't want to get it past and have the vacuum suck the resin into it. So we're just kind of working it slow. Getting that resin. Right there, we're good. So we stopped at that line that we preset. So now we're going to lift up. We're going to push through. We're going to set it down to 8. Set it down to 8, make sure that we have enough resin. And we're going to back it the other way now. We have this little piece of cowl tube that we're going to use. And we're going to want to lift this up and try to keep the slug going back as well. The slug is that piece of, that pocket of resin. So I'm going to be communicating to Chaz when we got to start slowing down. So this is why we have this excess piece, because it allows us to line up without shooting everything out into nowhere. So I'm actually going to pinch this first. I'm going to have the cowl tube on the other hand that I can start draining stuff into if I need to, or when I need to. Take this tape off. Roll it up, we'll put it in the cowl tube here. Okay, go for gold. The reason why we use the resin is so that we can see that the resin's permeated everything. If you just use the clear resin, you won't be able to see it as well. So he's kind of massaging it with his hands there. Now we're good. Stop, stop. We're at the end. Put that cowl tube on. We're going to squeeze the excess resin out because this part hasn't had 2 passes on it. Once we're past that line, we're going to lift, bring it back through, set it back down to 8, and run her back through again. And now it's go time.